Hello guys, welcome back. This is tutorial and in this one you are learning pandas. So guys, in this series, in this chapter you have already covered 3.1, 2 and 3, and this is the last series of this 3 series. So this is 3.4, then we will move for chapter number 4. But in this one what we will see, we will study here, we will know here how to filter data in Python. To some extent you have already seen that how we can filter in previous chapter itself, but this dedicatedly this chapter is for to knowing that how to filter the data. So let's start with creating a new this one. So basically we have already created, but still we will create once again like this. This is our general. If you output, it will display like this. Now we will filter data which is age 35. So it will display all the data which data is age 30 greater than 35. Charlie, David, this is displaying because this is age 35 and 40. Similarly, you can display all the records which salary is 60,000, for example. So it will display as filtered data. Here what it is happening, the salary which salary is 60,000, only that record will display here. You see only the matching record, that means what, this 60. So this is the one, that means Bob. Related to that, all the data is displaying here. Apart from that, you can apply multiple conditions. So for example, age whose age is 30 and salary is 70,000, greater than 70,000, only that record will display here. So any record which will match here will display that one. So age is greater than 30 and salary is greater than 70. So in that case, which one is here? 30 greater than 30 and 70. So this will apply 80, right? Two are here actually, greater than 70. That's why it is 75 and 80. So these two are matching. That is why it is displaying here. And OR condition can be also applied apart from AND. So in AND condition, normally what happens, both the condition must be true, but in OR condition, if any one of the condition is true, the result becomes true. And not only that, using filter rows, using query also. For example, df.query city equal to New York. So if New York, the city which matching is New York, only that one will show here. And where condition, this query greater than like, so this way also you can. And filtering row using is in, this is possible. Is in means if any one of these matches, then the data will display. Is in, that means what, the city, either it can be New York or it can be Chicago. So if any one of these matches, then it will display. For example, you can see here, New York and Chicago both are displaying here. Filtering row using str contains, means it is like searching. So we are saying filter data df city str contains New York only, not New York. It is complete, na, New York. So if it matches with York only, then still it will show. Filtering row is where name string start with. So it is, if start with A, so all the records which starts with A name will display here. Between can be also applied for salary. So guys, this way, as you can see, it's very easy and it's interesting also. So filter can be applied in this pandas and with data frame. So guys, that's it in this chapter, and we will in the next chapter start chapter number 4. So stay connected. Let's meet in the next chapter. Bye bye.